Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Microsoft Store. Try that again. Something happened on our end. Waiting a bit might help. Again, if you encounter this error message while downloading your favorite apps on Microsoft Store, try that again. Something happened on our end. Waiting a bit might help. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first is you need to close the Microsoft Store. Then you have to click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to go with Apps. That's under Personalization. Click on Installed Apps. Wait for all the applications to load. Then type here in the search bar Store. Click on System Components. Then you'll find Microsoft Store. Click on these three dots. Select Advanced Options. Background component permissions. Make sure this is not never. Scroll down and you'll find Reset with the Repair button. If the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. Click on Repair. Now once you click on Repair, click on Reset button and then Reset button once again. So after you have reset the Microsoft Store, close this window and then make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. For the next method is we are going to run the SFC scan to scan for and repair system corrupt files. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Admin. In here, type SFC /scan now. It's SFC /scan now, hit enter. Now this process will take some time. The verification process will start from 1% and will go up to 100% depending on your Windows. So let's just minimize this for now. For the next method is we are going to search for run in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. We're going to clear the Microsoft Store cache using a command. So type here wsreset.exe. It's wsreset.exe. Click on OK. So this will bring up and open the Microsoft Store for you. So just simply continue downloading your favorite apps, games, and movies here in the Microsoft Store. Then for the last method is we also need to make sure that our Windows is updated. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, just simply click on Windows Update. Then simply click what is suggest right here, like check for updates, download and install updates. So this will download and install the latest updates for your Windows. So once this is done, close this and then bring up your command prompt. And once this goes up to 100%, just type exit or simply close the window. And then make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.